or O. A. Checklist of documents. All documents shall be certified under oath by the Secretary of Treasury. The case may be attested by the President. Documents not so certified and attested shall not be considered. Number 1, name of the station. Name of the officer. Name of the station officer and the respective address. Tapos, number 2, minutes of the organizational meeting.
Tama.
So, at least, participated in the organizational meeting na tapos, annual financial report justification of bill listed for one or more constitution and bylaw company by the name information over the past minutes of adoption or ratification of the constitution and bylaw when ratification was made. Minutes of adoption or ratification is not required if it is done simultaneously in a organizational meeting and the same is reflected in the minutes of the organizational meeting.
Dito na parang ang kasi nag-later na lang, hindi ba ikaw rin? Hindi ba? Hindi, yes, pa hindi ko lang hindi mo makapara sa minutes, pero takot-takot na tayo na nakuhaan ko.